Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you clock to angles. So mag-solve lang tayo ng mga problems regarding to clock and hanapin natin yung angles niya. So if you did, okay, so let's start. So mag-draw lang tayo dito ng mga numbers. So basahin ko muna yung problem. The time on an analog clock reads 12:30. What is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of the clock? So what we're going to do here is just mag-point lang tayo kung nasan ba yung 12:30 na yan. So dito muna yung 12:30. So let's say here. So hindi ko na guys ipapikliin yung hour hand at saka yung minute hand. So hindi naman illustration yung problem natin. And what we need to find is the angle nung between nila. So this is much more analyzing. Pero sa other videos, I think there's a simple formula that you can try. But this is better if I explain it so you guys can understand how to do that. So basically, nag-drawing tayo ng circular clock. That means it has a full 360 degrees. So if you have taken unit circle, we all know sa isang circle, we have 360 degrees. Or maybe kung saan mo lang yan nalaman, we all know that a circle have that degrees. So here, we have 360 and 270. So sa isang circle, we have 360. So sa 360 also means there's sa isang oras is naka-full rotation na siya ng 12 hours. So, basic lang to. Kung illustrate natin, di ba? Right, guys? So, sabi dito is 30. So, what we're going to do is just simple unit conversion. So, what we're going to do is just a simple conversion process. So, we all know there's a 360 degrees sa 12 hours. Okay, let me just put it. So, ang hanapin natin is just what it is on sa isang oras. So, ito na pinakamadali. So, we're just going to cancel the hours. So, what we're going to do is just divide 360 sa 12. So, makukuha lang natin yung conversion niya in 1 hour. Sa isang 1 hour, ilang degrees natin? So, it is actually 30. So, sa isang oras, there is 30 degrees. So, that's another conversion. So, 1 hour is equals to 30 degrees. So, we have 30 degrees dito. We have 30 degrees dito sa kabila din. 30 degrees because 1 hour lang yan, right? So 30 degrees din dito sa kabila, and then we also have 30 degrees. So hindi natin sabihin na 30 degrees yung nasa between 12 and 1 because hindi. So what we need to find is the angle between here. So that is 30 minutes then. So we just need to use a unit conversion again to find how many minutes are there. How many degrees are there in that specific region. So 30 minutes, hanapin natin kasi kalahati nun. And then 60 minutes sa isang oras. Meron tayong 60 minutes sa isang oras, right? And then use that thing, yung 1 hour is equals to 30 degrees para mahanap natin yung degrees doon sa region na yun. So 30 degrees. Okay, so what we're going to do is just cancel the hour and the minute. So simple math lang gagawin natin. We can also cancel the 0, which is I do always. So 30 times 3 is 90 divided by 6. So 90 divided by 6, what is it? So let's just use long division. So 1 6 and 30. So we got at 15 degrees. Okay. So 15 degrees ang meron sa atin dun sa specific location na yun. Okay, so what we're going to do is just add all of these angles and then we will get the answer kung how many degrees are there between that minute hand and the hour clock. Hour hand. Okay. So 150 yun kapag inad natin yung lahat ng 30s and add lang natin yung 15 and the answer is 165 degrees. So that means 165 degrees yung angle niya between. So let me write my answer because ang pangit. So 165 degrees. There you go. Now let's move on to our second problem. The time on an analog clock reads 120. What is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of the clock? So let me just draw our clock. Okay, so 10 and then 11. So you can just put a dot dito sa baba. So 1 hour and 20 minutes. So we're just going to cut 5, 10, 15, 20. And then there goes. So 4 siya nakalagay. So yun yung 1 hour and 20 minutes. So hahanapin natin yung angle dito sa in the middle. We can also find the angle dun sa kabila but it will be a little longer. So sa latest problem, yung later problem, we all know 1 hour is equals to 30 degrees. Right? So 30 degrees dito and 30 degrees dito. So dun sa kabila, we do not know yet. And 20 minutes yung kabila, so 40 minutes yung sa kabila. So we can not just do these things sa 20 minutes, i-convert natin sa 1 hour. Sa degrees. We cannot do it, but I'm doing it. So you can see kung anong degrees yung makikita natin. I mean yung makukuha natin if we do this thing. Kung sa loob ba siya or sa labas. So as you can see, ito lang yung makikita natin degrees. Yun yung sa 1 and then dun sa hour clock. These 10 degrees correspond for that 20 minutes. Dun sa specific location na yan. Diyan. And we're not calculating yung inside degrees niya. So what do we need to do here is subtract natin yung 60 minutes sa 20. So therefore, 40 minutes dapat yung ating i-convert dun sa degrees. Right? So let's do that. So let's convert 40 minutes sa degrees so we can find yung location doon. Okay, so 40 minutes and then 60 minutes. Okay, we have that. And then 1 hour times 1 hour rin dito sa kabila and then 30 degrees. So as you can see, we can just basically cancel all the units. Okay, I'm losing my words. And then there you go. Just divide 120 sa 60. So what I did is 40 times 30 lang yun. And then divide natin sa 60 kung gusto nyo makita. So we got 20 degrees sa 40 minutes. So that means we're just going to add 30 plus 30 plus that 20 degrees. So we can get the answer. So 30 plus 30 is 60 plus 20 is 80. So that's it. Now let's move on to our last problem that I have made. So the time on the clock reads 11:15. What is the angle between the minute hand and the hour hand of the clock? So again, I'm just going to draw my clock in a circular. So okay, papangit na papangit yung clock ko. Okay, so lagay lang tayo ng point dyan. So 11:15, saan yan? Of course, dun yun sa 11. Dito yung hour clock. And then, we're just going to go 5, 10, 15. So, sa 3 siya. So, there you go. So, ang kakalculate natin is yung angle between this. So, 1 hour is equals to 30 degrees. Yung kinalculate natin kaninang degrees. I mean, yung, yes. Kinalculate natin sa problem number 1. So, that means meron tayong 30 degrees dito. Also have 30 degrees. And we have also 30 degrees dito. Kasi isang oras na nakalipas dyan. So, yung kabala, we do not know yet. But, we have learned to the latest problem that hindi natin ikakalculate dito sa 15 minutes. So, what we're going to do is subtract 60 sa 15. So, para makuha natin yung nasa loob niya. So, 15. Okay, so we can just cancel the 6. I mean, borrow 1. So, from 6. So, 45 minutes yung nandun sa loob niya. So, 45, which means 45 minutes yung i-convert natin dun sa degrees. So, 45 minutes over 1 times sa isang oras, we have 60 minutes. And then 1 hour. And then yung 1 hour and 30 degrees. So, 1 hour and 30 degrees. So, we can just cancel the hour and cancel the minutes. So, what we're going to do now is just simple mathematics. So, yeah. So I think I'm not going to do this because this will take more time. Wait, let me use our calculator. So the answer here is just 22.5 degrees. So that means we're just going to add 30 plus 30 plus 30 and then 22.5. So 30 plus 30 plus 30, that is 369.90 plus 22.5, that is 112.5. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys.